Welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Take this orange, peel it and eat the fruit. We're going to make an artwork using this orange peel. We are making a crab here. So draw its eyes using marker. You can also add more details like grass and look, your artwork is ready. Collect these green leaves. We are going to make beautiful artwork. Paste all of them, cut it. We are pasting googly eyes. You can also make eyes using clay and look at the cute little faces. Let's make this beautiful peacock. Put the glue in triangular shape and paste dry grass, or you can also paste leaves. And we are making this beautiful pattern on the feathers using clay. Make the body using blue clay, paste its eyes, and look, your peacock is ready. Take a yellow craft paper and cut the flower petal like we're doing here. Draw lines on it using orange marker and paste it on the sheet of paper. Make more such flower petals and paste like this, and look, your 3D flower is ready. Make many cuts on another piece of paper. Roll it and paste it at the center of the flower. Make more such flowers and draw its leaves using green marker, and look, your artwork is ready. Paste 3 black circles and cover it using white clay. Paste eyes and ears. We are making cute little sheeps here. You can also draw grass around them, and look, your artwork is ready.